SciCuriousID presents. Our universe faces two profoundly different, yet equally dramatic, ultimate fates. One path leads to an end by intense fire, a cosmic implosion of unimaginable scale. The other, a slow, agonizing fracture, tearing apart the very fabric of existence. Will the cosmos someday collapse into itself, or will it rip apart, atom by atom, until nothing remains?
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
This is the story of the Big Crunch and the Big Rip, two of the most dramatic endings ever conceived for the universe. For much of the 20th century, astronomers widely believed that the universe's expansion would eventually slow down due to the relentless pull of gravity. They theorized that this expansion might even stop, then reverse, leading to a catastrophic, fiery implosion known as the Big Crunch. However, in 1998, groundbreaking observations of distant supernovae delivered a stunning revelation. The universe was not slowing down, it was accelerating, expanding at an ever-increasing rate. Something unseen, a mysterious force, was actively pushing space itself apart. We named this enigmatic force dark energy, and its discovery fundamentally reshaped our understanding of cosmic destiny. This profound insight forced cosmologists to imagine entirely new endings for the universe, and thus, the concept of the Big Rip was born. The Big Crunch is often described as gravity's ultimate revenge, a scenario where the universe's expansion eventually succumbs to its own gravitational pull. If dark energy were to weaken over cosmic time, the expansion would inevitably slow, then reverse. Galaxies would halt their outward journey and begin falling back together, leading to a dramatic increase in temperatures and radiation. In the final, cataclysmic instant, all matter would collapse into an ultra-dense singularity, a point of infinite density. This singularity might even trigger another Big Bang, suggesting a cyclical universe where death gives way to rebirth. The Big Rip, conversely, is dark energy's ultimate triumph, a scenario driven by its ever-increasing strength. If dark energy's repulsive force continues to grow, space itself will accelerate without any limit. First, galaxies would drift away from each other faster than the speed of light, becoming forever isolated. Then, gravity would no longer be strong enough to hold solar systems, planets, or even individual atoms together. In the final 10 to the power of -23 seconds, space-time itself would stretch faster than any fundamental force could react. Everything, everywhere, would be torn apart, not in an explosion, but a disintegration of reality. Space would expand so violently that even the concept of distance would cease to hold any meaning. Today, current evidence suggests a more nuanced fate. Dark energy appears to be constant. This points to a third, less dramatic ending, the Big Freeze, an eternal, slow fading into cold, dark emptiness. Yet, a fascinating fun fact reveals the universe's delicate balance, a minuscule change in dark energy's behavior, even one part in 100 billion, could drastically alter our cosmic destiny. The difference between infinite life and instant death could literally depend on a single decimal point in the cosmic equation. Imagine it. In one universe, everything ends in a blinding flash, a fiery rebirth through cosmic fire. In another, the stars stretch into red threads and vanish forever, a silent death by endless expansion. Both are profound narratives, poetry written in the grand physics of the cosmos. Whether the universe ultimately ends in a dramatic collapse or a shattering disintegration, every atom within us is intrinsically part of that grand story. Fire or fracture, we are made of both beginnings and endings, echoes of the universe's own journey. Curious for more cosmic insights? Subscribe and continue your journey of discovery with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.